Hello people, welcome to SteelSeries Studio. If you are new here, please go ahead and hit subscribe, and to get our notification, click on the bell icon.
Hello people, welcome to SteelSeries Studio. Be creative, be yourself. I'm your host Suraj. So today's video is very special. In today's video I'm going to unbox one mouse which is a professional mouse for all the gamers. So if you're a gamer, please do watch this video till the end so that you will get the idea about this mouse. And this mouse is one of the top 5 mouse of 2018, and the company itself is SteelSeries. So let's go ahead and see which mouse is it. So if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. Please give a thumbs up if you like this video. Let's aim for 70 likes for this video. The video is coming up. So today I'm going to do unboxing of a new gaming mouse which I have got it from Amazon, and it's one of the top 5 mouses of 2018. So it's really costly. It's for 6,000 rupees. So if you want the best gaming mouse of 2018, you should go and buy this product, and the link will be given in the description below. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing, and it's the SteelSeries one. So let's directly unbox this thing. So the packing is very nice, as you can see. So here is the SteelSeries Rivals 600. It's an awesome mouse. It has a dual sensor in it. It has a DPI till 12,000. Let me see whether I'm right or wrong. So this is the front of the mouse. Here it has written all the descriptions: true one-to-one tracking, pinpoint accuracy, safe of the art, state of the art, lift off detection, and all the thing. It has 2 sensor system in it, which is very nice, and the world's best dual optical sensor system. It is the side of the box, as you can see, wired USB, 12,000 CPI, as I have said, 50 grams. The weight is 50 grams. Aids on RGB lighting, which is awesome. I like the RGB thing on my PC also. So this is the back cover. Over here it has shown how we can put the weights to the mouse, and yeah, this is the box of it. So let's go ahead and unbox. I'll just take it from here. I just don't want to damage the box because I want to keep it at my shelf. So I'm being careful. So here we are. So here I am opening the box. As you can see, what has written over here. So let's open. As you can see, there is written the streamers are the dreamers. So that's awesome. So let's go ahead and open. So here is the main packaging of the mouse itself. It has written rise up, We don't play games to escape reality, we play to revive it, rewrite it. We are the esport professional, and pubsters means they are from the tournaments esport. So let's go ahead and see the mouse itself, guys. And yeah, here is the beauty, guys. As you can see, it's very lightweight here, guys, by the way. So it's awesome mouse, man, according to me. So let's check what's in the box. I think so there must be some user manual. Yeah, it's a user manual. It says everything about the mouse in Chinese and in English, and nothing else is there in this compartment. So let's go ahead and see what's over here. Where is the cable? I think so the cable is inside this. So yeah, guys, over here there is a cord of this gaming mouse where we have to plug it here. Over here means it's a detachable cord mouse. So let's go ahead and peel this off. So here is the cable itself, USB 3.0 to the normal Android one, as you can see, and it's pretty big cord. As you can see, guys, look at the length of the wire itself, it's very big. And then over here we have the weights which we get with the box itself. As you can see, it says SteelSeries. And let's see, check out the weight. Over here there are 4 grams of weight, guys. It's very awesome to make the mouse heavy, according to us. So I will show you more about the mouse. Let's keep this all aside now. So the box is nice, very nice according to me. So there's nothing else inside it. So let's check out the mouse. So the mouse build quality is very nice. It's best plastic. Over here there is a DPI changing button. In the bottom there is a scroll wheel. It has 1 to 3 keys at the side of it. And the one thing is it's magnetic. So over here we can put the weights of 4 grams according to us, and it's all magnetic, guys. See, it goes back again. So same is on this side too. Here, so we can put weights on both the sides, and we can make your mouse much heavier according to you. So yeah, this was the unboxing of the mouse, and I will show you the LED lights of it. So let's check out the LED lights here. So as you can see, the LED lights start blinking from here to the scroll wheel. and it's the customizable RGB lights which we get the software of SteelSeries on the website itself. So everything according to this mouse will be given in the description below. Please go ahead and buy this product from there only, and then there will be a software link given in the description also, so check that out guys. So yeah, here was the unboxing of SteelSeries Rivals 600. So hope you enjoyed this video guys, and it's a little bit costly but the mouse is very awesome. I will show you the performance of the mouse in the next video coming. I will show how the game improves from the other mouses to this. So the previous mouse which I was having is this Cosmic Byte mouse. So there is one video I have unboxed the Cosmic Byte mouse. So please go ahead and check that video over here somewhere at the top. So thank you for watching this video guys. Peace out.